Okay, you're building handrails and you need a flat horizontal part at one end of the handrail. It's not real long. How are you going to fixture that or hold it so you can weld it accurately? Got a couple options. One, you can use a fence block and another fence block. Find your angle and clamp it in place. So to do that, you'd need to use an angle finder. Let's say we want 37.5 degrees. You find your angle, and you're going to have to clamp it in place. Here's 37.5 degrees. And there, now you can clamp it in place and tack it. It's not too bad, it works, but it does have a problem. It's easy to move, and you have to use an angle finder to set it. Another option is to use one of these guys, do the same thing. Use an angle finder, set your angle. And again, clamp it. Now you can put your parts in, clamp it, but again, it moves. But I got a better solution for you. Far more accurate, far more repeatable, and it doesn't take any extra tools to set up. Got CDM's angle fixture. Just drop it in place, put a pin in it, locate it. Now you wanted 37.5 degrees. Pull this pin, rotate to the next nearest lower angle, line the hole, drop the pin in. It's 36 degrees. Up here, you got, starts at 0, and you got quarter, half, 3/4, and then you got 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 3/4, and 2, and so on. So we got 36, we want another 1 1/2 degrees. So you find 1, that's 1 1/4, 1 1/2. Rotate it until that pin drops in. Put your fence block in, and you're all set. And that's not gonna move. You can hit it all you want, it's not gonna move. Check out cdmweldfab.com for more information on the angle fixture.